Hey there, iPhone lovers. If you're rocking the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you how to capture stunning live photos that'll make your memories pop. First things first, let's open up the camera app. If you're like me, you probably have it on your home screen, but if not, just swipe down and type camera in the search bar. Now make sure your camera is set to photo mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you see photo highlighted at the bottom. Next, let's talk about that little circle icon at the top of your screen. That's the Live Photo button. If it's white with a slash through it, live photos are off. Tap it once to turn it on. It'll turn yellow, and that's how you know live photos are ready to roll. All right, here comes the fun part. Hold your iPhone still and frame your shot. Whether it's a busy street, your dog chasing its tail, or a friend's goofy dance move, just aim and make sure you've got everything in view. When you're ready, tap the shutter button. You'll hear the familiar click, but here's the magic. Your iPhone just captured 1.5 seconds of video before and after that shot. So when you view it later, it's like a mini-movie. To check out your live photo, just head over to your Photos app. Find your picture and press and hold. Watch it come to life. You can even swipe up to add some cool effects like loop or bounce. And there you have it. You're now a pro at capturing awesome live photos on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Go ahead, give it a try, and bring your memories to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.